Hey, let me show you one way how we can fix this issue when your Samsung Galaxy A36 5G stuck in the recovery mode. So take a look. Now I'm not touching anything, but instead of the turning on, it will go one more time into the recovery mode. And all you have to do in this issue, basically you will have to select the reboot system now instead of the power off. Take a look. Now your phone will be turned on and it will not enter for the recovery mode. Just take a look on my screen. It will actually take a few moments, but it's really working. So if you have this kind of the issue, you can actually try my method and basically let me know if it works. So just wait for it. I'm just gonna wait just to prove you that it really works. As you can see right now, everything is fine.